Internal combustion engine, 4-stroke. So the reason why it's called a 4-stroke is because there's 4 strokes for one cycle, and then it repeats. The 4 strokes are intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Let's start with intake. So what happens during the intake stroke is the fuel-air mixture is being sucked in by the downward motion of the piston. So this is getting sucked in, the fuel-air mixture is going around the open intake valve and is being sucked in a downward position. The exhaust valve stays closed, the spark plug stays unactivated. In the compression stroke, the piston is at bottom dead center and is on its way moving up. The intake valve is closed now and the exhaust valve stays closed. So we're taking this fuel air mixture and we're compressing it. Then we get the power stroke. Once we're at the power stroke phase, the piston is at top dead center. Both valves are closed and the spark ignites. The spark is activated and that creates a reaction, and that combustion reaction presses the piston down. Once it goes down, that completes the power cycle once it hits bottom dead center. Once it starts moving up from bottom dead center, the exhaust valve opens up and the piston is pushing all those gases out into your catalytic converter and your exhaust. So as you can see, intake, compression, power, and exhaust. So we're literally just taking in the fuel air mixture, compressing it, getting that fuel air mixture to spark, creating a reaction which is going to press the piston down, the piston is connected to the connecting rod and the crankshaft, and that's going to create power to your vehicle. And then we're got to get rid of that, and we got to push it out. And those are the 4 strokes for one cycle of the internal combustion engine.